How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can move a sketch in Fusion 360. Now, first things first, I'm going to create a sketch just to show you how easy it is. I'm going to create this simple rectangle sketch right here. And if you want to simply move your sketches easily, what you can do is to just click on the select option. And then you could simply highlight all of the sketches that you have made. And then right click on it, click on the move and copy option. And then we can move our sketches to wherever we want to. So that's how easy it is to do it. If this video has been helpful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos similar to this ones right here. And so guys, thanks for watching.